In this demonstration, we will review how to use the ticket editor in MSP Manager, edit a ticket, identify the available information in the context panel, add an attachment to a ticket, review the audit trail for a ticket, configure notification response history, open multiple tickets, and apply an action to multiple tickets. To open the ticket editor, click Help Desk and select Tickets. The ticket editor in MSP Manager displays all tickets and their status. Filter the ticket view using one or multiple filters listed in the left pane. Hover over the filter icon to view the filters that apply to the current list of tickets in the display. To edit a ticket, click the ticket or open the Actions menu to the right of the ticket and select Edit. Click any of the icons in the context panel to view information associated with the ticket. To edit the ticket, click anywhere in the Ticket Info banner, or click one of the icons underneath the Info banner. In this example, we will add an attachment to the ticket. Click Add Attachment. Drag and drop, or click to select the file. In this example, we will click on the blank field to add the file. Click Save. The attachment appears on the Activity tab. Users can now view the full conversation history in Ticket Response Notifications. Configure the response settings in Ticket Preferences. Review ticket details under the Audit Trail tab. The Audit Trail list contains all actions performed on a ticket, making it easier to track changes within a ticket. Click on a specific item within the Audit Trail list to view additional details. In this example, the location has been updated, and we can see both the old value and new value. Close the ticket to return to the editor main view. To work on multiple tickets simultaneously, right-click the ticket and select Open Link in New tab. The ticket number and title appear on the tab. To apply an action to multiple tickets, select the checkbox for the ticket and select an action at the top of the page.